Hello everyone, welcome to your very first Java tutorial. Today we'll be talking over the Java introduction, which in this episode we'll be installing the Java JDK, which is basically the Java that you need for developing any type of program or game or anything. It's a developer kit. That's actually what it stands for, Java Developers Kit. And so yeah, let's go ahead and just get on in it right away. So I didn't write this, but found this on a pretty good site, and basically I copy and pasted this for if you guys ever need to pause the video and just look at it. If you don't get what I'm saying, you can go ahead and pause the video. These are the steps you need. These are the steps that I'll be talking about too. And these are the exact steps you need to install Java JDK. So total there are 19 steps, basically 20. And this will be the very first tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into it. So in Google, let's go ahead and type Java JDK. Enter that. And you will see Java SE downloads by oracle.com. Go ahead and click that. And it will take you to oracle.com. Excuse me. Take you to oracle.com and you will see 4 different Java downloads, and the one we need is the most simplest one, the Java Platform JDK 7 _2. So let's go download that. And when I said underscore, I mean underscore. It's updates. So, alright, now we go down here, we gotta accept this license agreement. You can go ahead and read that if you really want to. I'm not. Excuse me for that. But you're gonna go ahead and download the download that you need for your computer. So the one I'm currently at is a Windows x86. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that. If you're on Mac, as you might notice, there are no Mac downloads. Apple updates itself over and over with Java JDK included in it. So Apple never needs to install JDK because it's always on there by default. So if you're an Apple user watching this video, do not worry. You do not need to worry about JDK, so you can just totally ignore this tutorial. But anyways, if you're a Windows user, this tutorial is meant for you. So go ahead and click, or Linux or Solaris, not just Windows, but go ahead and click your download that you need. I'm going to go ahead and get Windows x86. Oops, didn't accept, did I? Alright, there we go. I might actually say that, because I did accept it. I'm going to go ahead and save a file anywhere. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And instead of waiting 8 minutes for this to finish downloading, I will just finish the recording here. And then I will edit it out and come back when this is fully downloaded. So I'll see you guys once it's there. Alright, so we got JDK 7 update number 2 installed. So now we can go ahead and follow this written tutorial. We're going to go ahead and first off, go to the start button, and as you see right here, click the start button and go to your computer, my computer actually, I should say, and go here. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. We're going to go into the C drive, as this is where it's located, and then we're gonna, don't worry about the Android SDK Windows, that's not involved here, it's a different, totally different program. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and click the Program Files folder and open up the folder called Java. So, Program Files, click that, come on, there we go, and then Java will be located at J, so right over here. And then right here you will see JDK 1.7.0, and you have to click, it would be, this is an older version, 1.6.12, this is a newer version, 1.7.0. Click on that, and then go to the bin folder. So, open the bin, see a called Java C. So, and right click it and go to the properties. This is where you're going to find the path of Java C, and you're going to have to end up copying and pasting it. So, go ahead this, and sorry, oops. Alright, go to this and go to properties. With properties, you will see a path. So right here, as the tutorial says, in the path, A new window should pop up giving the properties of the Java C, and there should be an attribute called location. What you're going to do is you're going to then find and copy the path, and that's just a little example. So that's what the path looks like. So basically you go into your Java C properties, and you should see something called location. And with location, it's the exact same thing right here. So we're just going to go and take this, copy it, and then we can just close this panel out. That's all we're going to need. So now we have a path location. Go ahead and click the start button again, and we're going to go into the computer properties. So go again. We're going to go and right click on computers, or computer, and go to the properties. With here, we're going to need to copy and paste this thing by going to the advanced system settings. Go ahead and continue that. Give it permission. And then you'll see here. So basically what it says is you're going to go down to system settings and open that. Towards the bottom of the pop-up, you should see something called environment variables. And remember that environment variables is right here. So go ahead and click that. And right here you will see path. I already have the path copy and pasted it because I already did this a while ago. But what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into the new user variable, which is right here. And you're going to go ahead and for the variable name, you're going to type path. That's exactly what I did. And then the variable value, you're going to paste the path of Java C, which I did right there. And after that, it would look like this. And then click OK on all three of the pop-ups. And you're good to go. Now, finally, your last thing that you have to do is you're going to go into your start button one last time. And after you do that, you're going to type in CMD. Get into CMD. And then you can type in Java C and then enter it. I'm not going to enter it right now because I already installed it. I don't think it would really matter, but I just don't want to risk anything because it might give me some errors. Guess not, but I don't know. I just did it up here. I'll just do it. So basically, you get Java C, and nothing happens for me right now because I already installed it. But basically, you enter Java C, then as long as there's nothing in the box right here, that means there's no errors. So now there's something. See, that means everything works fine. Might take a little bit to load, but in the beginning, as long as there's like no errors that don't pop up, that means something is wrong. But honestly, nothing should go wrong, and everything that means works fine, and you have Java JDK installed. So now you don't really even need this anymore. So you can just go ahead and just put that right there, because I don't need it. But yeah, that's all there is to it to install Java JDK. I'm just gonna save this, I guess. And that's all you really need to know about Java JDK, and that is your very first tutorial on Java. And the next tutorial will be installing a program called Eclipse, which is it's a program that edits syntax of Java. And so we're gonna go and do that, and we're gonna start developing our first code. That made no sense, but yeah, we're gonna start doing stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys later.